Yo, what's up guys? It's your girl Sillygoose, and in today's video we're going to be doing something a bit different, and we're going to be going down memory lane, and we're going to be doing an unboxing video. And I haven't seen this box since 2017, so let me tell you all about it. And I hope you like my new setup in the back. I'm no longer in front or behind a curtain, so that's awesome. So it was around 2017, and I was living down in Durban, and I decided to leave my parents' house and start my independent journey. And with that, I left some of my belongings at home. And then I met JP, we fell in love, and then I moved up to Johannesburg. And then beginning of this year is when we finally decided to tie the knot. And we got married on the 17th of February. I'll link the video up here. And literally the morning of the wedding, I was like getting ready, and my mom bursts into the room and she's like, "Duh, where do I leave this box?" And I didn't think I was ever gonna see it, and I told her to just leave it in the car. Anyway, so I haven't seen this box in such a long time, and I'm so happy that I can open it with you guys. And let's get crack-a-lacking, shall we? Yo guys, check this bad boy out. Can you see me? Can you see me? No, you cannot. Perfect. Perfect. Oh my god. Okay. Feast your eyes on this bad boy. And I had to put my goggles on, or else I'm blind like a bat. So I haven't seen this box in such a long time, and I actually forgot it was in Kellogg's box. And you guys can't see it, but it says there Dal's Games on it, and it's like really like faded out. So now let's choose our weapon that we're gonna open this bad boy with. So we're gonna open it with this knife. You have to live life on the edge, you know? Okay, we almost got it open. Oh, okay, wait. Just one fighting with me, alright. Right, are you ready? Are you ready? So let's open this box up. OMG, okay. You guys can't see what I see right now, but I literally forgot I had this. I forgot I had this, guys. Oh my god, I forgot I had this. I used to think I was Lola the bunny. So, what should we open up first? Okay, so then I just changed the angle a bit so we can see it a bit better. So the first thing that I'm going to show you guys is the Wii remote that I got, and I see it's currently attached to the nunchuck. So my Wii was black. So here's the bad boy, and then I'm going to place it on the bed when we're done. And the next thing I see here is, oh, it's quite heavy. It's my Wii console. It wasn't in the box because, like, can you see it? It looks very looks in very good condition. I shouldn't be wearing white for this, man. Okay. Anyway, so I packed it in here. Oh, it got my teddy bears. I got Silver the Hedgehog. Silver the Hedgehog. And my favorite, Shadow. He's literally my favorite from the Sonic Hedgehog franchise, blah 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 blah. Yeah, anyway. Okay, then we got got the snow globe. Oh, and it's the water came out. But it says there, can you see that? It says Durban, South Africa on it. Look. Durban, South Africa. Guys, I have to wear my goggles. I'm blind as a bat. It's like come out. It's very loose. Yeah. Oh my god, I had so many Wii games. And here's all the wires for the Wii. Oh my god, I forgot I had this. So basically, I don't know, it's very stiff right now. So basically, it's, show you. You put your phone in here, okay, and then it holds the phone. I forgot I had this. Okay, more Wii stuff. This is to hold the console. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is it's an amethyst tree and I love it. It's so beautiful. I have a whole entire crystal collection and I will show you guys my crystal collection. I'm gonna place that bad boy right over there. Oh, it looks so pretty. Oh my god. Oh, why is it the Wii? Oh, there's a sensor for the Wii. I see a package, another package. What could this be? Oh my god. So basically it's Sonic the Hedgehog figurines. So I got Eggman, Sonic, Evil Sonic, Roo, Sonic, Knuckles, Super Shadow. The whole reason why I wanted to get this was because of Super Shadow. And yeah, what was this guy's name again? This one. Wasn't it Metal Sonic? Yeah. Oh god, let me show you guys my. Okay, wait. Let's finish with one thing at a time. I have so many Wii games. Let's see if I can take it out. Okay, I'll show you one at a time. So I got Secret Saturdays. This was my favorite. Secret Saturdays. I enjoyed playing this game. It was one of my favorites. Okay, we got Trials of the Sky. I really liked this game, but when I started getting invested in the game, it's like a lot of reading. If you like reading, then this game is for you. I got Wii Fit Plus. I don't know the light. Yeah, okay. So now you can see I got the Wii Plus Fit. I don't think you get this game anymore. See, it still got the controller in it. I got so many Wii games. Got another Wii Fitness one. Another fitness one. Okay, so I got Hannah Montana Spotlight World Tour, Tangled, Twilight. I never really liked this one. This one was, when I bought it, I thought it was going to be a lot of fun. It's just a game about questions. What's fun about that? This game I had a lot of fun with. Secret Saturdays. I love this game so much. I bought 2. See? Got 2. So what happened was I started playing it and I was having so much of fun, and then all of a sudden it like stopped working. The Wii couldn't like sense the CD anymore, so that's why I bought another one. But I enjoyed it so much. Pirate of the Caribbean. Oh my god, I love Jack Sparrow, Johnny Depp. And this game will literally make you feel tired because you have to constantly keep moving, and like I was so tired, but maybe that's a good thing, you know. Toy Story 3. Oh, I had a lot of fun with this one. This one was, I like games that have like obstacles with them and you jump and you press and blah blah blah. Okay. Oh look, it's Wii Sports Resort, and if I'm not mistaken, you don't get this anymore. You don't get this anymore. So my favorite game was, I think, the swords. When you had to fight with swords, that was my favorite. I got Sing It, and I bought the mics. So I got 2 mics. One is busy rusting though, but we'll see if it still works. I see it's a bit rusted, but yeah. Okay, let me pull it all out. There's a lot of games. So I got Hello Kitty. I got another singing game. Oh wait, no. This is Just Dance 3. A lot of dancing games. Oh, I got the Wii Resort instructions. I don't know why it's there. Another singing game. The one song I really liked was by, I think, Sean, where Baby Are You Down, 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 Down. That one was the one I always used to sing to. This one, I don't know why, it's X-Men. I mean, obviously I had to have this game. I love Aang, Last Airbender. Oh, I love this game as well. This is Final Fantasy. Oh, my gate was falling. And last one. Oh, so there's the cover for the X-Men. So if I open it, what's inside? Yeah, it's empty. So strange, eh? This is the amount of Wii games that I have. Okay, so then I got this box, okay, and I just opened it, and let me show you what's inside. So it's the charger for my PSP, this charger, and here is my PSP. Still in excellent condition. I'm so shocked. Look, that's the case, and this is my PSP. Can you see that? So I got the 1000 model or something like that. There is all my PSP games. Oof. My PSP games. So we got Midnight Club 3. I really liked racing games. They were a lot of fun. Then this one is actually not a game, it's a movie with Vince Diesel. It's Chronicles of Riddick. Hannah Montana, why not? My favorite, Tomb Raider. Worms. Like when you play Worms, you have to get like really into it. And then when you discover how to use all the abilities and everything, I don't know. It's Phineas and Ferb, Sonic. I just had to. Man, it would have been nice if they had Sonic Wii game. I definitely would have bought it. Okay. That was Need for Speed, Sims, Harry Potter, and let me show you. This one here is Logan's Shadow. So I'm a big fan of Harry Potter. Okay, I got this. My favorite character from Harry Potter is Snape, and I got his wand. I look, it still got dust on it. Can you see that? Yeah. Okay, and then this, I didn't think I was gonna see this ever again. Oh my gosh. Oh, the dust. This is Warcraft board game. If anybody knows how to play this game, please tell me, because I have no idea how to play it. I bought it. I started to play it, but it was hell confusing. I just didn't get it. But everything is still in its proper condition. Like, see. Yeah, and then yeah, if anybody can figure out how to play this game, please let me know. I don't know. Maybe that's why I started playing the actual World of Warcraft game and not the board game, because I could never figure it out. And we reached the end. I've opened literally everything in the box, and I'm so excited, and I can't wait to go and play with my Wii or play with my PSP. I don't know what I would do first, but obviously I need to charge the PSP. And comment down below which game I should play first, because I miss these games, and I might just restart my whole entire progress. The game I'm looking forward to playing is definitely Lara Croft, Tomb Raider. And with the Wii, I definitely want to play the Secret Saturdays, because I really enjoyed that game. And let me show you a poster. Okay, it's fine. It's fine. I feel so bad to actually open this, because I've never opened it. But let's open it and let's see. Wanna come say hi? Wanna come say hi?
Like this?
Yeah. Maybe you can do a little.
What?
Do it.
The whole thing?
Yeah, wait. Get into frame. Get into frame, wait. Yeah.
You want me to do the thing?
Yeah.
The boy.
Yeah.
That one.
Yeah. Oh, wait.
I'm not gonna do it.
Do it.
Bring on the spot here.
Do it.
No.
Yes. Shall we tell them to do it? Right, Chloe? I was actually gonna do it, but you are much better at it than me.
You do it. Do it.
Oh.
Exactly.
Come into the frame. Okay. I like to hold it like how this thing holds it. Okay. The boy who leave. He came to die. Very good. Very good.
Epic fail. That's it. You hold it like this.
You do it.
Okay.
No, get into frame, man.
The boy who lived has come to die.
Oh, guys, subscribe or else Baltimore will come for you. This is literally what I have to deal with. Hello. Can I help you? Yes. What you want? Want to open the curtain? There, jump.